Welcome to Best Choice. The best Invicta watch is probably one of the most stylish and reliable timepieces you can own, but what happens when the battery dies? Don't worry, because today, we're diving deep into the world of Invicta watch battery replacement. We'll explore the tools you need, the steps to take, and some helpful tips to ensure your watch keeps ticking for years to come. Get ready to bring your favorite watch back to life. Number 5. POWEROWL CR2032 20-pack lithium batteries. These POWEROWL CR2032 batteries are a great choice for your devices. They provide long-lasting and reliable power for various applications. This battery is compatible with many models, including CR2032, DL2032, and more. It's a versatile power source for your needs. The batteries use high-density cells for increased energy. This ensures better performance and a longer lifespan for your devices. Thanks to the improved design, the power is locked in until needed. This includes dual crimps and anti-corrosion components. These 3V batteries are ideal for watches, calculators, and medical devices. They provide dependable power for your everyday essentials. You'll receive 20 POWEROWL CR2032 batteries. Plus, you're covered by a 24-month warranty and friendly customer service. What we like. This POWEROWL battery pack offers high capacity and long-lasting power. Its leak-free design ensures your devices are protected. If you have multiple devices or want to avoid frequent replacements, this is a great choice. What people say. The watch is working perfectly. The watch is now working again. The watch is back to life. Number 4. JOREST Watch Repair Kit. Tired of dead watches? This kit makes replacing your watch battery a breeze. It includes all the tools you need to get the job done quickly and easily. Need to adjust your watch band? This kit has the tools for removing links with precision. It allows you to customize the fit of your watch for maximum comfort. Get the perfect fit with the included resizing tools. This kit provides everything you need to adjust the band to your wrist size. It's like having a watch repair shop at home. Opening watch backs can be tricky, but not with this kit. The included wrench back remover makes it simple. It ensures you can access the inner workings of your watch safely. This kit is more than just battery replacement and resizing. It includes screwdrivers and spring bar tools for various watch repair tasks. It's a complete solution for watch maintenance. What we like. This JOREST kit provides everything you need for watch battery replacement and more. It includes tools for link removal and resizing. If you enjoy DIY projects or need a comprehensive solution for watch maintenance, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The watch is working perfectly now. The watch is running again. The watch is back to life. Number 3. LiCB SR927 SW395 399 AG7 1.5V watch batteries. LiCB has specialized in batteries for 18 years. These SR927 SW button coin cells are tested under strict quality control standards. You can trust them for your devices. These batteries are CE and RoHS certified. Grade A cells ensure a longer battery life and provide lasting power. They are designed to keep your devices running smoothly. Each battery has a full 1.55 volts charge and a shelf life of 3 years. This means you can stock up and save money. They are a reliable choice for your needs. If your device uses LR927, 399D399, 399, W, V399, AG7, V543, 399, 613, GP399, or SR57 batteries, then this is what you need. They are versatile and fit many devices. You will receive 20 SR927 SW batteries in a blister pack. They also come with an 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. Get yours today. What we like. LiCB batteries are safe, reliable, and cost-effective. They are tested under strict quality control standards. If you are looking for a dependable battery with a long shelf life, you should consider these. What people say. These batteries work perfectly for my small devices. I use them for watches and a calculator, and they fit well without any issues. The power lasts a long time, and it's great to have a 20-pack, so I always have spares at home. Work well and perfect fit, no issues in the watches. Worked perfectly. Brought my favorite watch back to life. Number 2. Duracell 37371 Silver Oxide Button Battery. This Duracell battery is designed for various devices. It's perfect for watches, medical devices, calculators, and other electronics. These batteries provide reliable performance. They are also great for digital thermometers, laser pointers, and stopwatches. You can store these batteries for up to 3 years. You can be confident that it will be ready when you need it. Built for high-power devices, this battery is equivalent to several other types. It ensures dependable operation across a wide range of devices. Duracell is the most trusted battery brand. From emergencies to everyday use, you can rely on it. What we like. Duracell batteries are designed for a wide range of devices and provide long-lasting power. As a trusted brand, it offers reliable performance. If you need a battery from a well-known brand for various electronics, you should consider this. What people say. The watch is working perfectly. The watch is now working again. The watch is ticking again. Number 1. Renata number 362 Watch Batteries 3 PCS. Are you tired of your watch stopping unexpectedly? These Renata number 362 batteries are the perfect solution. They provide reliable power, ensuring your watch keeps ticking. These batteries are made with high-quality materials. This ensures long-lasting performance and dependability. You can trust them to keep your devices running smoothly. Each pack contains 3 batteries, so you'll have spares on hand. They offer a long lifespan, so you won't have to replace them frequently. It's a convenient and cost-effective choice. Installing these batteries is simple and straightforward. Just replace the old one with this new one. It's a quick and easy process. These Renata batteries are known for their reliability and durability. They are designed to withstand daily use. It's a great choice for your watch. What we like. Renata batteries are known for their high quality and reliability. They are durable and designed to last. If you're looking for a dependable battery, it's a solid choice. What people say. The watch is working perfectly now. The watch is running great again. Installed the battery and the watch is working great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.